take your white 5-inch round and we want to put about 4 inches of air into this. Hang on to that. And then inflate your white quick link to about 3.5 inches. So it wants to be a little bit smaller than the body. And just tie the two together and then trim off those nozzles. Okay. Then take your 5-inch round, whatever colour you're using for the hat, and for no particular reason at all I'm using Caribbean blue, and just tie that directly onto your snowman's head, and then again trim off the messy bits. Okay, take your 160 and just wrap that around the base of the hat to give a bit of a trim. Wrap that round and then make 2 little 1 to 1.5 finger pinch twists just to finish that off. And then just cut this off and tie. Take your second 160 and make a loop of perhaps about 6-7 fingers, and then make a small pinch twist. At this point you might want to shape that balloon, that bubble, and then take your 160 and just wrap it around your snowman's neck there. And we don't want that to be too tightly wrapped around the neck, just quite loosely. And then tie off the end, trim off the excess. And I always tend to have one that's longer, one bit of the scarf that's longer than the other. If I find it's a bit too long, then I'll just make a second pinch twist here. And now for the face. You're going to need an orange Sharpie, and I'm just going to draw a carrot nose. So just 2 round circles for the eyes, and then I'm going to edge this carrot in black, and then I'm going to draw a little mouth. You could leave it at that. I'm going to make a little bit of a tongue and just draw that in. Just a bit of red. The tongue. How detailed you want to go on the face depends how much time you've got available.